Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix mail app error code 0x8007139f on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start, Settings. Now here click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down underneath App Permissions. Click on Email. Now turn on email access and also turn on this setting, let apps access your email, and turn on mail and calendar. So make sure these all options are turned on. Now close it. Then click on Start, Settings, Apps. Click on Install Apps. Now search here Mail. Click on this three dot Advanced Options. Now Repair. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. So reset it. Now close it and restart. And guys, after restart, still you are facing problem. So uninstall and restart again. And after restart, open Microsoft Store and search here mail. So you will see mail and calendar. Open it. Click on get and install new and fresh mail and calendar application to your Windows. Now once you done, close it and open mail application. So this is the way guys you can fix and resolve mail error in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this video useful for you or not. And please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.